Hello. Peletto presents the ML500 mini line for granules based on the PS200 precision screw feeder and the Peletton200 granulator. This reliable and efficient device is intended for the production of feed mixtures and fuel pellets. If we dig into the details, we'll start with the PS200 precision screw feeder. The screw dispenser enables automation of the process of feeding raw material to the granulator. The device is equipped with a loading hopper with a capacity of 200 liters, which facilitates the process of loading raw materials. Please remember that the hopper has an agitator that prevents the raw materials from freezing and caking. This is important for uninterrupted operation of the line. The screw mechanism ensures that the raw material is fed from the hopper to the granulator and can be equipped with a magnetic catcher, which ensures that any metallic inclusions in the raw material are stopped from entering the granulator. This extends the life of the die and granulator rollers. The raw material supply rate is adjusted from the control panel equipped with an ammeter. The control also includes a granulator motor switch with built-in thermal protection that protects the motor against overload. The presence of a frequency converter allows for a smooth change in the number of revolutions of the screw feeder motor. The second element of our mini line is the Peletton200 granulator. This powerful and versatile granulator is suitable for granulating a variety of raw materials, including compound feed, agricultural waste, straw, sawdust, and sunflower husks. The granulator is equipped with a hypoid gear located in a tank with gear oil. The tank is part of the frame and ensures high durability of the product. This granulator is designed for continuous operation for many years. Peletton200 is equipped with movable rollers that work well both in the production of feed mixtures and in the production of pellets. The rollers have terminals for connecting a lubricator and can operate almost continuously. The granulator is equipped with a die with a diameter of 216 mm, which ensures an excellent ratio of the costs of consumable components to the manufactured product. The mini line is an ideal budget solution for the production of feed mixtures and fuel pellets, and our managers will be happy to demonstrate the operation of the line on the customer's raw materials.